Are you still scrambling eggs with a fork like it's 1995? There's a better way, and it takes half the effort. In this video, we're reviewing the best egg scramblers you can buy right now, covering build quality, ease of use, cleaning, and value, so your morning routine gets a whole lot smoother. Let's crack into it. Number 1. CYX Egg Beater. The CYX Egg Beater is the classic semi-automatic push whisk that started a lot of people's love affair with manual egg beaters. Made from stainless steel, it works with a simple push and rotate motion, no batteries, no cords, no fuss, and handles eggs, cream, sauces, and batter without missing a beat. It's dishwasher safe and easy to clean after use, which always matters on a busy morning. The design is timeless and straightforward, making it a great pick for anyone who just wants reliable, no electricity egg beating. A classic kitchen tool that earns its drawer space. Next up, the Digead Egg Whisk brings a spring-loaded rotary action to the semi-automatic whisk category, and it feels noticeably smooth in hand. The food-grade stainless steel construction is solid, and the easy rinse design means cleanup is quick, whether you're washing by hand or tossing it in the dishwasher. It handles whisking, blending, and stirring across a wide range of kitchen tasks, not just eggs. If you want a go-to whisk that earns its keep beyond breakfast, the Digead delivers. A multi-purpose kitchen workhorse at a budget-friendly price. Number 3. SSydl Egg Whisk. The SSydl Egg Whisk takes the standard push-activated whisk design and opens it up to a wider range of uses, including milk frothing and smoothie prep, which most in this category skip entirely. It's lightweight, easy to handle with one hand, and made from stainless steel that holds up to everyday use. The push-activated rotation is responsive and consistent, and the slim design makes it easy to store in any kitchen drawer. If you want a whisk that goes beyond eggs and does a bit of everything, SSydl is a great fit. A versatile pick for the multitasking home cook. Number 4. ReneeChef Egg Scrambler. Now here's something different. The ReneeChef Egg Scrambler is the only microwave-based egg scrambler on this list, and it flips the whole concept on its head. Made from ceramic, it lets you mix your eggs right inside the container and then pop it straight into the microwave breakfast in one vessel. Minimal cleanup guaranteed. It's designed for single-serving prep, making it perfect for busy mornings when you just need one quick meal without pulling out a pan. No stove, no extra dishes, no waiting. The most unique pick on this list, ideal for quick solo breakfasts. Coming in at number 5, the Digead Egg Scrambler is the semi-automatic rotary whisk from Digead, built specifically with kitchen versatility in mind. The rotary whisk head handles eggs, sauces, cream, and even beverages with ease, and the entire unit is dishwasher safe for stress-free cleanup. The stainless steel build feels durable and well-made, and the push-rotate mechanism is comfortable for extended mixing sessions. It's a reliable all-around kitchen companion that punches above its price. A great everyday pick for home cooks who want one tool that does it all. Number 6. OXO Good Grips Egg Beater. The OXO Good Grips Egg Beater stands out from every other product on this list because it operates completely differently, using a smooth gear-driven hand crank mechanism instead of a push-whisk system. The stainless steel beaters spin with satisfying precision, and the non-slip Good Grips handle makes extended use genuinely comfortable. OXO's ergonomic design reputation is well earned here, and this beater handles eggs, whipped cream, and batter with ease. It's the kind of tool you keep on the counter because you actually want to use it. The best overall egg beater for anyone who values quality and comfort. Number 7. LOOHOI Egg Scrambler. The LOOHOI Egg Scrambler takes the standard push-rotate whisk and improves it with an upgraded spring-driven mechanism that makes rotation noticeably smoother and more consistent than older designs. The ergonomic grip handle reduces hand fatigue during longer mixing sessions, and the stainless steel build keeps things sturdy. It's a solid choice for anyone who's been frustrated with lower-quality push whisks that feel stiff or uneven. The upgraded spring makes a real difference you can feel. A smart upgrade pick for anyone who already owns a basic push whisk and wants better. Number 8. Norpro Egg Scrambler. The Norpro Egg Scrambler goes a different route with its Fisky-style whisk design, compact, simple, and surprisingly effective for everyday egg and sauce work. The stainless steel construction is clean and durable, and the smaller whisking head makes it great for working in mugs, small bowls, or tight containers. There are no moving mechanical parts to break or clean, just a well-made manual whisk that gets the job done quietly. It's the kind of tool that disappears into your kitchen drawer and reappears whenever you need it. The best space-saving pick for minimalist home cooks. Number 9. LUFMWCWD Egg Beater. The LUFMWCWD Egg Beater is a semi-automatic push-action whisk that comes bundled with kitchen whisk accessories, giving you a little more flexibility right out of the box without paying extra for add-ons. The stainless steel build is dependable, and the rotary mechanism handles eggs and light batters without any drama. It's a clean, practical pick for anyone who wants a capable egg beater with a bit of extra value included. The accessory bundle makes it feel like a smarter buy at the same price point. A great value pick for anyone building out their kitchen tool collection. Closing out our list, the DDE Egg Beater finishes strong by including a built-in egg separator alongside the push-down rotary whisk, a thoughtful bonus that adds real everyday usefulness. The easy clean construction keeps post-cooking cleanup simple, and the stainless steel body is built to last through daily use. If you want a semi-automatic egg beater that comes with an extra tool already packed in, DDE is the smartest bundle on this list. It's efficient, practical, and ready to go from day one. The best pick for anyone who wants more function for the same money. And that's our full roundup of the best egg scramblers available right now. For the best overall experience, grab the OXO Good Grips. That gear-driven action is hard to beat. Want something unique? The ReneeChef Microwave Scrambler is a total game-changer for quick solo breakfasts. Links for everything are in the description. Which one are you adding to your kitchen? Drop a comment below. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell. See you next time.